Hi folks, welcome to Salesforce Administration and App Builder Training. This is Rakesh iWave Lab, a Techno Hub channel for placement training. If you are interested in learning Salesforce training, Salesforce administration training, if you are a beginner, you want to learn Salesforce administration, please subscribe to my channel. So please click on to my bell icon and then click on to the like button so that every time when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Or in case you are looking for a placement, or in case you are looking for a placement training, or 1:1 training, you can call me 8550791168, or you can write a mail to info.iwavelabs@gmail.com. Folks, now let me get into Salesforce admin training. So this is the training for beginners. So for those who do not know, those who don't have any knowledge in Salesforce training, so we are giving through our channel, we are giving a free training. I'm the trainer Raakesh Kumar. I have 20 years of experience. I've trained several corporate trainings and I've completed my first training to 180 students. So they cleared the certification. Like those who are interested to do your certification in Salesforce, yes, you can go through this video, you can visit this video and you can learn through this video and then you can clear your certification. So in this session, I'm going to discuss about introduction to Salesforce, introduction to cloud computing, and introduction to CRM. So in this session, I'm going to elaborate discuss about what is all about cloud computing, what are the benefits of cloud computing, who are all the companies who are using cloud computing, and what is CRM, how CRM is linked with Salesforce, how the cloud is linked with Salesforce. All those stuff we are going to discuss here. So introduction to Salesforce. Salesforce is one of the leading company, cloud computing company. It has different kinds of cloud. It maintains different clouds for different purpose. One is for sales, marketing, IoT, community, right? Likewise, it is maintaining different clouds here. So it offers different services over the cloud for the customers and for the partners. To better understand about the Salesforce concept here, it is mandatory that you should know what is all about cloud computing. Guys, folks, let me get into cloud computing. We'll understand basics now. I'm going to discuss about cloud computing and CRM. Overview of cloud computing and CRM. First of all, we should know what is cloud computing, a term called cloud. Mainly used for storing your files or maintaining your application on centralized basis. You're going to store everything on a centralized basis. No need to carry your pen drive or store your files on the pen drive or copying it to the or writing it to the CD or external hard disk and take it in the transit. It is not required. So all the files, whatever files you work in, right, or whatever application you develop, you can maintain it on the cloud, which has more security. So you can able to access anywhere. Anyone can access anywhere. You can access at any time. You can access to over the internet. That is what all about cloud computing. Cloud computing is a term in which consumer can get services. So they are going to get a consumer are going to get the services. What kind of services they are going to get? They are going to get a software support, platform development, infrastructure management over the internet. Service provided by the cloud computing can have characteristics like elasticity, dynamic, cost effectiveness, on-demand services, pay for whatever you use it. So now we come to know what is all about cloud computing. Now we're going to discuss about the characteristics of the cloud computing. So basically cloud computing characteristics are into 4 roles. What are they? End user, cloud service provider, cloud tool provider, cloud application vendor. End user, you know very well. Guys, folks who are going to use, the customer who are going to use the application, they are called as end users. Similar way, consumers of the cloud application services, if they are going to use these services, They are called as an end user, cloud service provider. Now, for example, Salesforce is also a cloud service provider. Through this service, we were able to log in and we are able to use it, or we can able to develop the application, right, for which Salesforce is providing the service. We are making use of it. Similar way, cloud tool providers, third-party providers provide the tool for uh, for developing an application. Right. Similar way, cloud application vendor of cloud services. So these are all the four general roles which is available for stakeholders and for the customer. So now we'll come to a definition what is all about cloud computing. Already I told you cloud computing is referred as storing or accessing your data and program over the internet rather than your own hardware. Right. Rather than your own hard drive. Already told you, instead of having it on a hard drive, a pen drive, or on an external hard disk, we are going to store it on a centralized place called cloud. So it is going to be very easy for accessing your data, your program over the internet. So what are the services provided by the cloud? There are three different services offered by the cloud. One is going to be SaaS, called as software as a service. The other one is called PaaS, which is called platform as a service. The next one is called IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Again, I'll tell you, cloud is providing three types of services. One is called software as a service. Second one is platform as a service. The third one is infrastructure as a service. So when it comes to Salesforce, Salesforce is mainly concentrating on the two services. They are going to be software as a service. The other one is called platform as a service, which is being used by the user. Now let it go deeply into about these three different services. The first one is software as a service. So the cloud providers will provide the software as a service. We can make use of the services. So software as a service is a way of providing application as a service over the internet. For example, software as a service which is being given by the Salesforce or Amazon Web Services or Azure, Zoho. These companies are providing software as a service. We can make use of that software and we can try our application, or we can develop our application, or end users will use the software services. Similar way, coming to platform as a service. So most of the companies provide a platform. So we are going to use the platform and we are going to develop our application, mainly used for developing, testing, and managing a business, for which we use a platform as a service. Now, for example, we use Salesforce. So Salesforce, without writing any code, I will be able to develop an application, which is going to be a customer relationship management application. Not only CRM, business process automation, any kind of application can be developed with the help of Salesforce. So it is a cloud computing on demand where a service provider such as Salesforce.com provides a platform to the clients to work on, not only for the customers. So it also provides a platform to the developers to develop the application. On such platform, the users or clients can run, develop, test, or manage any business application. As I've already told you, the developer can make use of Salesforce.com, and they can develop the application, test the application, manage the business application. Already told you the examples are Amazon Web Services, Salesforce, Google App. These are all giving a platform as a service. Next one is infrastructure as a service. It is a rental type cloud computing infrastructure which includes server and virtual machines, network, storage, operating system, facilitated by a cloud provider. So here, infrastructure, just it is going to provide the infrastructure. If at all we don't have any infrastructure, so the third party cloud service providers are also providing the infrastructure for the rental. We can make use of it. Some of them are servers, virtual machines, network storages, operating system, which have been provided by the cloud providers. Some of the companies which are providing infrastructure as service are Amazon Web Services, AT&T, HP. Folks, now let me get into benefits of cloud. There are 8 types of benefits here. One is going to be cost effective, 24/7 availability, easy accessible, security, fast implementation, collaboration, instant scalability, automatic updates. So cost effectiveness is nothing but less cost. No need to worry about the application. If at all you want to build the application, normally it includes a lot of capital that you have to incur. But here it is not required. Free from capital expenditure. No huge cost is required. No need to purchase any hardware. No need to worry about developing an application. And already the application is available, which you can use it here. Just you have to pay for which you use it. Already, so in Salesforce, for example, there is a banking application. The same banking application can be provided to other banking also. They can use the same application, but the metadata would be different. So when it comes to metadata, I'll discuss later, not now. So what we come to know here, it is going to be less cost. We're not going to incur huge cost here. And next one is 24/7. So the cloud computing, on the cloud, you're going to maintain your application. It is going to be available for 24/7. So all 24 hours, you're going to get this application. You can do the services, and you can run your business on the cloud. One of the most significant advantages of cloud computing is that data or any services available in the cloud can be accessed anytime, anywhere or anytime, or any person can able to access 24/7. Whatever application you develop, or what are the application which the consumer or the customer want to use it 24/7, they can able to use it. Now, for example, you're using Amazon. Amazon is available 24/7. If at all you want to purchase anything, you log in at any time, you log in and you purchase, book your products, and you get your products available, or you get the products that is available 24/7. Same way, such kind of application you can develop and you can run your business now. It's going to be available for 24/7. Easily accessible, right? So from anywhere you can able to work across the globe, as long as you have internet connection, even by using critical cloud services offered by mobile apps. So even through the mobile or by using tab, you can able to use this application whichever you maintain on the cloud. There is no any limitation. You can use any devices, so provided you require an internet connection. When it comes to security, it has a highly security. Nobody can able to access nobody can able to steal or store your data, right? Data whichever stored in the hard disk can go, you can lose it. But whereas coming to when the data is stored in the cloud, it is very much confidential, right? Which cannot affect any organization. But with the cloud, that is the cloud platform, if at all you are storing it in the cloud platform, so it is highly secure. So the risk of the data lost is reduced with the cloud company. Whereas coming to when you store it in the hard drive, it is easily you can it gets affected by the organization. The data gets stolen, or it can be lost, or it can be deleted. But whereas coming to cloud computing, you have a very good high security here. So the data loss not happen. It will be minimized. It has been minimized here. Faster implementation. Very much it is all the applications are implemented very fast. It may take a long time actually to implement normal traditional application. It takes a long time. Whereas coming here to cloud application, so the cloud application, so the time can be reduced a lot here. It will be reduced. So just what you're going to do, what you're going to use it, right? Directly you just sign up and then you're going to start using here. Very fast. Otherwise, you have to log in what certain steps that you have to go here, right? Whereas coming to cloud, just you're going to on the internet, you're going to type your URL. The moment just get downloaded, right? And then you're going to enter your username and password. Then you're going to connect it on the over the internet, the cloud, and then you're going to make use of this application. Whereas coming to collaboration in your organization, within your colleagues or within your clients, you can able to share your information, or you can share your thoughts, you can share your application, you can share your files, everything can be shared, can be collaborated, right? Various groups of organization can connect virtually and share useful information and data on the cloud platform. What are all you're going to share? You're going to share your information data here. for which you're going to collaborate. Right? Here we are going to use Chatter for a cloud. Chatter cloud we are going to use it. It improves the customer service and product development process in any organization. It improves the customer service. So you're going to identify. So if at all you want to get any service, if any customer want to get any service from the product company, right? You can very well connect with the product company and you can book your tickets and then you can solve your tickets, right? With the help of collaboration, right? So, and then instant scalability, cloud-based application enables the organization to easily increase or decrease the user number as per the requirement. So scalability, according to based on the application, that you can increase or decrease your requirement. We don't need to think about the availability or running out of capacity. We don't need to be worried about whether is it possible to hold this much customers or not, or right, or is that space is available or not. We don't need to worry about the capacity. Right? Whereas coming to automate updates, how you get automatic updates on the mobile, same way here. At a particular instance, the update is being done automatically for the other instance also gets updated here. Right? Any application can take up many days to upgrade, maintain or test the application. Normal application takes many days to update, maintain, or else what you do, each and every system you have to update it. But when it comes to cloud application, such things are not necessary because cloud application has the automated update software that can be updated automatically. As I told you just now, for one instance, if you update it, it gets automatically updated to all the client software, or all the clients who are using the same instance can get updated automatically. Folks, these are all the benefits of the cloud computing. Now you have understood about what is all about cloud computing and benefits of the cloud computing. Because Salesforce is using cloud, we have discussed about cloud computing a lot. Now we will discuss about CRM because Salesforce application is a CRM application. We are going to discuss about the introduction of CRM here. So in CRM is nothing but stands for customer relationship management. So from the year 1990, the concept of business started to change from beginning being transactional to relational. Just started to change from transactional to relational. CRM directly contributes towards customer benefits and for the growth of the business. Here we use CRM for the growth of the business and for the customer benefit. Information technology plays a vital role in identifying, acquiring, and retaining the customer, thereby managing a healthy relationship with the customer. So we are using CRM to maintain the healthy relationship with the customer, mainly used for identifying the customer, acquiring the customer, retaining the customer. What is all about Salesforce CRM? Salesforce is a world leading CRM platform. Already I told you. So enabling the business to connect the customer efficiency anytime, anywhere, based on the customer efficiency, right? And to enable the business, you can enable the business anywhere at any time. Any business person, you can able to enable the business. So here now we are going to, for better understanding, we are going to discuss about CRM and its functionality. And why to choose Salesforce CRM? Now let us understand. Now you will get into a basic concept of CRM. What is CRM? As I already said, CRM is nothing but customer relationship management. It is a software tools, right, or used to store all customer related details such as customer name, phone number, email address, and so on. It also used to store all the records of the customer activities done for a particular product or business. For example, we have a DMart here, right? So if at all every month or every day customers are going into DMart purchasing several provisions to their according to their need. So if at all DMart maintains a CRM application, it can have all the customer details, identify the good customer, potential customer. They're going to maintain the old customer, and every month it is going to get a new customer also. And this using the CRM software, it is going to improve their business. For improving the business, CRM software is maintained. Every business needs a tool or software that can collect, store, and manage all the customer related information to focus on the leads and sales. Mainly the CRM application is mainly used to focus on leads and sales, mainly sales. Right? So the lead is being converted into a sale. A CRM system is a software that tracks the progress of any sales process. With the help of CRM, we are going to track the sales process. It also tracks all the customer details, complaints, email, follow-ups done with the customer, agent, conversation, etc. Mainly it is used in call center. Right? So any product company is going to have a call center. You're going to log in your complaints, right? You can send your complaints. You're going to book your products, or you're going to send your emails for complaints and all the stuff, and you're going to follow up. For all such things, you're going to use a CRM application. So when with the help of CRM application, the customer will try to connect and try to get solve their problems. This is all about CRM. So who are all there in the market, right? Who are all the CRM companies like Oracle CRM, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, Zoho, HubSpot, SAP, Sales. So many companies are there. But Salesforce is number one in CRM application because it is on cloud. Now we are going to discuss about the futures of CRM. So CRM allows business to store, manage, and track customer information. It allows us to connect and collaborate with the entire team from a single place or device. It can intelligently capture any customer complaints or emails. CRM can be extended as per the business requirement. CRM increases the business profit by providing proper sales and lead management. Mainly, we are going to use CRM for business to do business, and with the help of business, we are going to store and manage the customer. We are going to track the customer information, and we are going to collaborate with the entire team in the device. We're going to use the device. With the device, we're going to connect with the customer or with the client or with our colleagues or with our employees. So this is an intelligent application, right? Through this, we're going to get the customer complaints either through email, over the phone. We're going to get the information. We're going to solve the problems of the customer, right? So CRM can be extended according to the business need. So it helps us to increase the business and also increase the profit by providing proper sales and lead management. So there are CRM aspects. There are three types of CRM aspects. Right? The first one is retain. We have to retain the customer. We have to retain the good customer, and also we have to get the new customers also for purchasing our products, especially for our business. So any organization, it is crucial to maintain the good customer relationship with their client or clients or customer. If the customer is happy with the services, normally the customer will come and buy the product again and again, the same business shop. All right. So if the customer is happy with the service, he will retail for a long time. The continuous growth of the organization, acquiring new customer, retaining the old customer is mandatory. So for our continuous business to get the product continuously and to expand your business and you to get the good profit, we require customer relationship. We should have a good old customer, and at the same time we have to acquire the new customer also. Then acquire. Customer acquisition is another important aspect of the growth of the organization. Every company wants a huge number of customers. Every company wants a huge number of customers to increase their popularity in the market. All the organizations, sales organizations need customers. They depend on the customer. They require a huge number of customers to increase the popularity. Large number of customers can bring the leads easily and help to be the competitive. You can see like some of the guys will be standing with the umbrella, right? So like they'll be selling some product, either they'll be selling some products or they'll be selling the hot or flat. So they'll be calling and they'll asking you and they'll make a note of it, your address and everything, so that they'll call you and explain about the products. So that basically what happens when you friends are going to be there, you're going to get the leads from your friends and from the note. With the help of the lead, the company is going to get the business. From whom? From the customer. One customer going to give the lead to the other customer or to the company. The company, with the help of the lead, the company is going to deal with the customer, and with the help of the customer. So when the customer arrives, the customer is going to be customer will be providing good services. With the help of the services, that they will make the salesperson will make them to purchase the product with the help of the purchase, and by providing continuous support and providing good service, the company will retain the customer and they will acquire the new customer also here. So the lead is going to help us for the sale, and the sale is going to happen with the help of a sale. They're going to have a new customer here, and they're going to be the competitor. Right? Below are the three main reasons for which any customer leaves your service. Why the customer is going to leave the service? Because the service is not good. If the service is not good, the customer is unhappy, they're going to leave the service. They're not happy with the product. They want to use the competitor. In that case, what they'll go to the other competitor. They'll go to the competitor, they want to use the other product. That is one of the crucial aspects for the customer relationship. And any company never wants to lose such a customer because it is a complicated to bring the customer back and maintain the same belief to complete. So any company, any product company doesn't want to leave the customers. If you leave the customer, getting back the customer is very difficult. Getting back the customer, you have to make them believe. You have to give the belief. So giving a belief is very difficult task, right? Once the belief goes, the customer will not come back to us. So we have to give the good support. We have to give the good product. We have to make them believe. We have to give the good belief so that we can retain the customer. Always the CRM helps to acquire the new customer with good deals and sales. With the proper follow-up, good communication with customers, any company can easily get a new customer for the business. Right? Not very for any business. Even say, for example, you take what is that insurance business, right? Even for the insurance business, you have to give correct product has to reach the customer. For any client or customer, current policy and the current product has to reach them. If they are satisfied, if they understand the policy properly, so when they understand, when they satisfy, they will take the policy. Whatever policy you say first time, only that policy the customer would take. Again, if you go and tell the second, immediately if you tell other policy, they will not take. Whatever first policy you tell, only that policy they will take. Likewise, according to the business, whatever you explain first, only that the customer will get attracted based on that particular product the customer would use it. Right? So like the next one is extend. Right? After acquiring new customer, retaining the old customer, the next aspect of the CRM business extension. So the next one is extension. So how a CRM can help a business to extend the business value to its client. For this, any business can reach to its loyal customer for any new deals, as they will be the confirmed buyer of the new deal. So is that the next one is extending. You're going to extend the so what do? You go try to extend and try to get the customer, new customer. You will maintain the old customer, at the same time you will extend the business, you will, and then you're going to acquire or you're going to get the new business. So how a CRM can help a business to extend the business value to its client. For this, any business can reach to its loyal customer for any new deals. So you're going to do the business and you're going to get the loyal customers and then you're going to give a new deals. With that, they will be confirmed. They will be confirmed buyers and then they will purchase the product. When any cosmetic brands want to launch a new product, they reach out to some loyal customers first rather than directly launching into the market. So not only this cosmetic brands, right? Any product if they are going to launch it, right? They will give it to the agent and they will try to get the market research. They'll try to do the market research. Based on the market research, they are going to launch the product. They know that they would surely buy the products and give the crucial feedback for the product quality. So with the help of the CRM tool, any company can easily identify such customers. So with the help of CRM tools, they'll try to get the feedback. Based on that, they will try to launch the product. With the help of CRM tool, the company can easily identify the good customer. Guys, so in today's session, I think elaborately we discussed about the CRM. What is CRM? We discussed about the clouds, different types of clouds. What are the benefits of clouds? What is CRM? So what are the why do we use CRM? What way it is connected with the Salesforce? What way Salesforce is connected with the clouds? We have discussed all those things. If you are interested to learn Salesforce, if you are a beginner, if you are interested to learn Salesforce, please try to subscribe to our channel. My channel or our channel is going to be iWave Labs channel for placement, Techno Hub channel for placement. So please try to subscribe and then click your like button and then click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I upload the new videos here, so that you can learn your Salesforce application. You can learn your Salesforce training. So that this training is mainly for beginners and for the students or beginners, or you want to move from one technology to other technology, you can learn the Salesforce training with us. Please do subscribe for our channel. Wish you a happy new year. Thank you. Bye.